Natural miracle painkiller. Stop taking pain pills. This herbal's tea works just like the strongest chemical analgesics. Step 1. Ingredients. Meet the ultimate relief crew: fresh ginger, golden turmeric, cinnamon, lemon, and mint. Step 2. Peeling ginger. First, let's peel off the skin to unlock all that pure, soothing goodness inside. Step 3. Washing roots. 1. Give your ginger and turmeric a deep, refreshing rinse under cold water. Step 4. Washing roots. 2. Make sure every bit of dirt is gone. Clean ingredients make the best tea. Step 5. Peeling turmeric. Peel that vibrant turmeric carefully. Look at that rich, natural golden color. Step 6. Slicing ginger. Slice the ginger into thin coins. This helps release its fiery, pain-relieving magic. Step 7. Grating ginger. Now grate a little bit for an extra punch of flavor and maximum health benefits. Step 8. Grating turmeric. Do the exact same with the turmeric. Grating helps it infuse much faster. Step 9. Prepped board. Check out this colorful spread. Fresh, raw, and packed with anti-inflammatory power. Step 10. Water in teapot. Fill your glass teapot with fresh water and place it on low heat. Step 11. Adding cinnamon. Drop in a whole cinnamon stick for that cozy warmth and sweet aroma. Step 12. Adding slices. In go the fresh ginger and turmeric slices. Watch the water start to transform. Step 13. Adding herbs for flowers. Toss in a pinch of dried chamomile and saffron to take the relaxation to the next level. Step 14. Pouring tea. Let it simmer, then pour that rich, golden liquid straight into your favorite cup. Step 15. Final cup. Sip slowly, relax, and kiss the pain goodbye naturally. Enjoy. Step 16. Enjoying the infusion. Taking the first, soothing sip of the rich golden infusion, fully embracing its cozy warmth and natural aroma. Step 17. Release and relieve. Drink the tea above, and forget the pain. If you felt the release, like this video to share the calm. Subscribe for more natural remedies. Comment what you release. Find more cozy, healing moments in my channel videos. Thank you for being a part of this journey.